My name's Eddie and we're here at VidCon, and my channel is about getting more people into coding. And what do I mean by that? I mean coding is for everyone, literally for everyone. Doesn't matter how old you are, doesn't matter where you're from, your background, you can get into coding. Yes, you. And follow my channel, you'll find out more about how to get into coding, how to find a job, how to go to hackathons, conferences, tech events where you can meet people, network and get better and improve your coding skills. It's just so much fun. You don't just have to code. When I say coding, I mean the tech space. You could get into testing, automated testing, business analyst, scrum master. There's so many roles in the tech space where you can contribute to the project, which I consider you as a technical contributor. And I've learned so much about how to curate my channel better with thumbnails, better banners. So many improvements I need to make. They seem quite subtle, but I think they make a huge difference to my channel. It's consistency. Any questions, just drop a comment in any video. I'm not precious about which one it is. So if you think of an idea, then just drop the question in any video and I'll definitely reply.